Everyone, so আজকে আমরা ক্লায়েন্টে জাস্ট আমাকে এসে মেসেজ দিয়ে বলছে জাস্ট we need to do something different kind of stuff. So first of all our client said that just I'm gonna check the record. I'm not gonna tell you, just I'm gonna speak and then I'm gonna test how this is kind of being a stop for some reason. So I don't know exactly why, what the reason behind that. So basically I have to find out the reasons. First of all I will go to my store, so then category, then read and take category. So that's the thing. So from here I'm gonna exactly do it one stop, which is like, okay, so maybe my net problem, that's why this is not coming yet, so we have to wait for a moment. Okay, so okay, so come back and go to again back, and then I think it will take somewhere. So I'm not sure, my client said that to make all size same, so yeah, these are all same. So where for my client get this, so I have to find out.
To move the background and use the same size for the
all collection. So my client find out all collection, so about us news and all collection. This is my client about us pages, and this is the news. Okay, so now all this stuff. Okay, so my client exactly, if I click the shop now, let's see where it's take, it will take to the all shop now. Okay, so my client said that to remove this one, to remove this background and this background, and to make like this size. Okay, so all size will be same. So yeah, so let's try to do it. So first of all I'll identify these two for product, and then I'll click here, and then I will copy the product name. Okay, so I will copy the product name, and then from here I will find out the product. Okay, so to do that exactly I'm gonna search here, and then I'm gonna paste it, and then it will take some time, and then I will click here, and then I will try to remove the background. Okay, so in Shopify let's find out is there any options to remove this background or not. Okay, so let's see a color background. Okay, so this reflecting the background will be removed. Okay, so I'm not sure, so let's try to find out. Okay, so now this is okay, so I'm gonna click the, I'm gonna go to the back. Is there any save option? Let's try to find out. Okay, so there is no save option. Okay, so let's click the save. It's background, I removed this background, so after a few moment, and then it will, so আমাদের মিটে আসতে হবে, মিট ড্রিঙ্কস ওয়েবসাইটে কিছু। Okay, so now we are done, so I will click the back, and then I will see, can you see this option remove? So if I refresh, and then I think I have to give save, no, this automatically takes save, so I will replace this page, and then I will see this is this remove or not. Okay, so let's try to find out. Yes, this is been removed, so I'm okay with that. Now it's time to do that. Okay, so first of all I have to identify the product, and then I will copy the product name, and I will copy the product name, and then I will paste under the product. Okay, so we have to change key. Okay, so hold on. Okay, so it's time to do it this design, so I have to also remove this one. Maybe I remove this background, I'm not sure. Let's try to, now can you see this is background have been removed? So I already showed you that how to remove background from Shopify. Okay, that's pretty much it. So if you like this video, let me know, and then what kind of video exactly you are looking for the next time. I will also make a video. And also if you want to learn more, visit creativeweboost.com. let me show you my website, you can visit on that. Okay, so I will search on here Creative Weboost. This is our website, you can see our domain, so creativeweboost.com. so we are exactly helping dental, roofing, solar and e-commerce business to grow their leads, appointment and sales. So if you want to learn more, you can visit on our website, and then you can directly contact us. You can book a call by clicking here, and it will take to our Calendly link, and then you can directly book a call with us. And then if you are not take our service, no matter, just exactly understand our how exactly we help. And then if this is if this is really helpful for your business, you can definitely work with us. If not, no worries, totally fine, you can find someone else who can exactly scale your business. That's pretty much it. So if you like this video, please subscribe and share this video. Have a nice day. Goodbye.